the new lesson from a grammar chess textbook, and the name of the lesson is negative sentences. Okay, we have learned about sentences and now we are going to learn about negative sentences. Now let us see what are those. Now, a negative sentence is a sentence that has a not or no in it. Okay, we can change positive sentences or a normal sentence into a negative sentence by adding the negative word not or no in the sentence. Just take a look at this. Sita is very happy. It is a positive sentence, as when you read it itself you understand that the girl Sita, she is feeling happy. It has positive vibes. So it is a positive sentence. Then this positive sentence we can change it into negative by adding the word not. So Sita is not very happy. So once we add the word not, the sentence would become negative. Alright. So here Sita is very happy, which is a positive sentence. We changed it into a negative sentence by adding the negative word not over here. So Sita is not very happy. Similarly over here, Rita is ill. It is a positive sentence. Even though the word ill is mentioned here, it is a positive sentence. Now this sentence we convert it or change it into a negative sentence by saying Rita is not ill. Okay, now this is a negative sentence. So basically negative sentences are those sentences which has the negative word not or no included in it. Okay, and we change positive sentences. We can change positive sentences into negative sentences. Similarly over here, this third one, just look at this. I have some food for the journey. Again, there are no negative words here, so that is a positive sentence. We change that into negative by adding I have no food for the journey. So the word no, negative word no is written here, included here, so that becomes a negative sentence. Alright, so we have to add no or not, which are the negative words, to a sentence in order to make it negative sentence. Okay, now let us see the position of not, that is where exactly are we supposed to place these negative words in a sentence in order to make it, a positive sentence negative. So now in a sentence when the verb consists of a single word, we add no or not after the verb. Okay, what is that? Let us see. She is sad is a sentence given here, right? And over here the word is taken as a verb. Why? Because is tells us how she is feeling, right? She is feeling sad. So is a verb here and it is a positive sentence. That sentence, to make it into a negative sentence, we add the negative word not soon after the verb is over here. So she is not sad. Is a verb, not is a negative word, and we have changed that positive sentence into a negative sentence. So here in a sentence when the verb consists of a single word, we add no or not after the verb. So that is what we have done over here. She is sad, this is a positive sentence. We change that into negative by adding she is not sad. Same way over here, she has money. Has is taken as a verb here. This is a positive sentence. Has is taken as a verb over here. Now this positive sentence, when you change it into negative, we write she has no money. So here has is the verb and no is a negative word what we have added. So this has become a negative sentence now. Alright. Okay, that was the first one, that is when there is a single word. Now, in a sentence when verbs are made up of two or more words, we put not after the first word. Okay. So here, she is singing. In this sentence, is singing, it is a positive sentence because there are no negative words here. But here she is singing. The word is singing entirely. Two words are taken as a verb. Is singing is a verb over here. It is a positive sentence. Now this we can change it into negative. How do we do that? We write it as she is not singing. So here the first word, soon after the first verb, is a verb, as you all know. Soon after the first verb we write the negative word, not. So she is not singing. Singing is the remaining part of the verb. So in sentences where verbs are made up of two or more words, we put not after the first word or the verb. So over here, she is not singing, she is singing is the sentence, positive sentence where is singing is taken as the verb together, and we change that into negative like this, that is she is not singing. So we add not soon after the verb is, and the remaining part singing is also taken as a verb. So this is how we convert a positive sentence into a negative when there are when two words form the verb. Okay. Now let us see how we make an imperative sentence into negative sentence. Now to make an imperative sentence negative, we put do not or don't in the beginning of the sentence. Okay, as you know, imperative sentences are sentences basically that tells you that it is a command, a request or an instruction, right? We have learnt it. So here, come inside, it is a positive sentence. Now that sentence, to make it negative, we write the negative word don't in the beginning of the sentence. So don't come inside. So once we write don't in the beginning, it immediately becomes a negative sentence. Alright, so come inside positive sentence, we can change it as negative by writing don't come inside. Then the next one, clap your hands. It is a positive sentence, somebody is instructing someone to clap your hands. Okay, so that when we change it into negative, we write don't clap your hands. Alright, so this is basically for imperative sentences. In order to change it into negative, we write the negative word at the beginning of the sentence. Alright, now let us see what all we have learnt about possessions of not. That is, once again I am telling you, in a sentence when the verb consists of a single word, we add not or no after the first word. So she is sad. When we change it, it becomes she is not sad. So not is written soon after the verb is. Similarly, she has money. If we want to change it into negative, we write she has no money. Has is a verb, and here the word negative word is written soon after the verb. Then for sentences where verbs are made up of two or more than two words, we put not after the first word. So here she is singing is taken as the entire verb, and we change that into negative by writing she is not singing. The word not is written soon after the first verb over here. So she is not singing. Then for imperative sentences, in order to make it negative, we will always write the negative words in the beginning of the sentence. So here come inside, when we change that into negative, it becomes don't come inside. And then clap your hands, when we change that, it becomes don't clap your hands. Alright, now I hope you have understood that. So based on what you have understood, we are going to do the exercises on page number 17 from your textbook. Change the given sentences into negative sentences. So the first sentence over here, the jungle was very dense. It is a positive sentence. There are no negative words over here. So how do we change that into a negative sentence? Yes, we write the jungle was not very dense. So we have changed that into a negative sentence. Alright. Now the next one, she has gone to the market, is a positive sentence with no negative words in it. So it's a positive sentence. So she has gone to the market. When you change it into negative, it becomes She has not gone to the market. The word not, the negative word not will be included here. So, she has not gone to the market is a negative sentence. Now, look at the third one. Jyoti is happy with her new friends. Is a positive sentence. And here, how do you change that into negative? Yeah, we write Jyoti is not happy with her new friends. The negative word not is added soon after writing the verb is. So, Jyoti is not happy with her new friends. Similarly, the fourth one we have here, he has kept his promise. How do we change that into negative? We write he has not kept his promise. Okay. So, based on your understanding of what you have learned, you are requested to write these sentences in the textbook. So, children, I hope you have understood today's topic. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.